Hi, this is Jay. In today's video, we're going to go through the 10 most Googled questions about the Yealink T74w. Let's get started. Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. All right. The T74w comes in a box like this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, we get a quick user guide. It's always helpful. Let's see here. Very protective wrapping. Look how sleek that is. That is a nice looking phone. Put that to the side. Underneath the tray, let's see, we have an Ethernet cable. We have a handset cable. And this would be the stand that hooks onto the bottom of the phone. We also have the handset that is under that little portion there. And this is a great handset, HD quality. Let's go ahead and take everything out of the wrapper and get ready to put this T74w together. Everything comes out pretty easy. Nice Ethernet cable that comes with it. All right, let's move this box out of the way and start assembling it. First thing we're going to do is get the stand that goes on the bottom, and you can see it's going to hook onto the bottom like that, and then you're going to click it into the right. You're just going to click it, take a little bit of force, and then it clicks right in, and that's not coming off. It's on pretty sturdy. Okay, let's grab the handset cord now, and you'll notice there's a kind of a long smooth end and a short smooth end. We're going to plug the long smooth end to the bottom of the phone where it is showing the handset logo, not the headset logo. We're going to put it in the handset logo. We're going to snap it in right there. Get it all wire managed. And in the short smooth end, we're going to put that right into the handset. So now your handset is attached and everything looks good. Now all we need to do is turn it on. Now there's two ways to do this. We can turn this on. We can activate the phone by using a power cable, power supply that goes onto the bottom of the phone, or an Ethernet cable like you see here. Power over Ethernet will light this phone up really well. But if you don't have a PoE switch, you're going to want to use the power cable that is sold separately. It does not come with the T74w. After the T74w boots up, it'll look like this if it is pre-configured from the distributor. But what if you don't have a SIP carrier credential? What do you do then? Well, the easiest thing to do is to go to ustech.com, and they can handle all this for you. They can send you pre-programmed phones. They can give you SIP credentials that you need and set you up very quickly. But let me show you right now how to configure the phone if you do have these SIP credentials. First thing you're going to want to do is push the round circle button right here to get the IP address of the phone. this screen will appear on your phone, which will give you your IPv4 IP address, your MAC address, machine ID, Wi-Fi, MAC, and your firmware, which could be helpful later. All right, once you have your IP address, you're going to want to go to a web page and paste it into your browser up here. Click enter, and then that'll bring you to this T74w web GUI page where the login by default will be admin. Username is admin lowercase, and the password is admin lowercase as well. Then you're going to hit login. That'll bring you to this page right here. Now this page can give you your MAC address and the address that we just put into our web browser up here. Where we're going to want to go to configure this phone is settings. And then we're going to want to go to auto provision. If your carrier has a template that they've already given you the credentials for, go to auto provision. And these are the things that we're going to put into the field here: our server URL, username, and password. And these are the three things that you're going to need from your SIP provider. And this is what ustech.com can give you. And like I said, we can do this for you as well, so you never have to touch the phone until it arrives already pre-programmed. All right, the next thing we're going to do is show you how to connect your T74w to Wi-Fi. All right, first thing you're going to do is hit the menu button. And you want to go to basic, so you're going to arrow over and down, and then you're going to arrow down to number 7, or you can hit 7 on the dial pad for Wi-Fi. Press the center button for enter, toggle right to turn it on, and hit save. Now, down on number 5, it says there are 11 available networks. So let's go down there and see what they are, and let's connect to one of them. Hit enter, and let's connect to this one. And now we're going to toggle through the appropriate characters below to enter the password on our dial pad. And hit save. And if it's saved correctly, there would be a green check mark to the right where that lock is. For demonstration purposes, we're not connecting to the Wi-Fi right now, but that's how you would do it. Now I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth headset with the T74w. Hit that menu button again, and we want to go to basic again. So we're going to toggle to the right and one down and hit basic. There you go. Now we want to go to number 6, so you can hit 6 on the dial pad or scroll down to Bluetooth. Hit that middle button and hit the right button to turn it on. Now hit save. Now, if you've already paired a device, you'll see it there on the screen, but if not, you can hit scan and it'll scan for your headset. But keep in mind, you might need to hit the Bluetooth toggle on your headset to send the signal to the phone so that the phone and the headset can be paired. Now I'm going to show you how to program the DSS and BLF keys on the T74w. Press and hold any empty button that you have, and up at the top it's going to say type, and you're going to want to toggle over to BLF. Once you're there, you can scroll down or push the middle button and it'll go automatically to value, but you want to start with the label, so you can scroll to the label, and then you're going to toggle through the appropriate characters below to enter the name on the dial pad. Just like this. And when you're done, just push save. And now you can see 103 is right there, the BLF button. You can push to call that extension, and you can see if they're on the phone as well. And that's all there is to it. If this is the first time setting call forwarding on the T74w, press this little button right here, and you'll see number 2, it says forward to. You can put in an extension number, or you can put in a cell phone number or whatever number you want it to be forwarded to. Press save, and now that little icon button with the 2 handsets together will be a toggle button to turn it on and off. Right now it's always forwarded. It's on. Press it again, it's off. It won't forward. Toggle again, it's on. And you'll see the little icon on the top right of the screen as well. Now what if we want to change the number that it's forwarded to? We're going to go to menu button right here. And then we're going to go to features, toggle over to there. Press the center button. And you'll see call forward right there. Press the center button again. And number 1, it says it's off right now. You can toggle on with that. But what we're going to do is push it again and arrow to the right or left to turn on or off. But what we want to do is change the forwarding number. So that forwarding number, you can put in whatever you want now. And this is how you're going to change the number from what you had it before. And press save. A defaulted T74w has no voicemail button functionality until it is registered to your PBX. And once it's registered, then the phone automatically knows the voicemail access code. So once the phone is registered, there are 3 ways to access the voicemail system. The first way, if the phone is defaulted, press star 97. The second way to access voicemail, if you're using US Tech, you're going to press star and then an extension number. So let's try star 101. And then press send, follow the prompts.
Password. You have 3 old messages. Press 1 for old messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options. Press star for help or pound to exit.
Press 0.
Press 1 to record your unavailable message. Press 2 to record your busy message. Press 3 to record your name. Press 4 to manage your temporary greeting. Press 5 to change your password. Press star to return to the main menu. Press 1 for old messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options. Press star for help or pound to exit.
Now the third way to access your voicemail, if you're using US Tech, is to just press this envelope right here. Go ahead and touch that.
Password. You have 3 old messages. Press 1 for old messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options. Press star for help or pound to exit.
If you liked this tutorial and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget, reach out to ustech.com. Make it easy and let them do the work for you. Thanks for watching.